The Nightingale Fairy Tale. The story is set in China and begins with the Emperor of China learning of a magnificent nightingale, a small bird known for its beautiful and melodious song. The emperor is captivated by the nightingale's song and orders it to sing for him at the palace. The nightingale agrees and enchants the emperor with its beautiful music. The emperor is so pleased with the nightingale's song that he keeps it at the palace, and it becomes his favorite companion. However, the emperor also receives a mechanical, bejeweled nightingale from his court, and he becomes infatuated with the artificial bird's dazzling appearance and ability to sing on command. As time passes, the mechanical bird begins to take the place of the real nightingale, and it becomes the emperor's preferred companion. One day, the artificial bird breaks down, and the emperor falls gravely ill. He longs for the song of the real nightingale, whose song has the power to heal. The real nightingale returns to the palace and sings for the ailing emperor, and its song has a restorative effect on his health. The emperor realizes the value of the true, authentic beauty of the nightingale's song, compared to the artificial, man-made beauty of the mechanical bird. He declares that the real nightingale shall be his one and only true nightingale. The story of the nightingale highlights the idea that genuine beauty and art come from the heart, and are not something that can be manufactured or replicated by human-made creations. It also explores themes of the transitory nature of fame and the importance of appreciating the beauty of the natural world. The Nightingale is a timeless tale with a valuable message about the enduring power of nature's beauty and the importance of authenticity in art and life.